Welcome dear students. In this video lecture I am going to talk about the poem number 3, that is the Inchcape rock. But before learning the poem we will discuss about the various activities which are asked in icebreakers. So let's talk about the first one. Activity number 1 is about prepare a word register related to marine life. Means, dear students, you have to prepare the word register which is related to marine life. As you can see in the image, there are sailors, captains. In the same way, you have to write some words here. So it's your duty to complete the activity. As I have done it, see what the words are related to marine life. Number 1, ship. Now you can see the image of ship. It is related to marine life. Number 2 is about tides, and you know very well in the ocean, in the sea, there are high tides and low tides, as you can see in the image number 2. Number 3 is a captain. The captain of ship, Mr. Pramod Devri, he is none but my brother-in-law. It means, my dear students, you have so many opportunities in the field of navy also. Number 4 is submarine. As you can see in this image, fifth word is seabed. Seabed means the bottom level of the sea, as you can see in the image. Sixth word is port, as you can see here in the last picture. Then what is the meaning of port here? Port, it means it is a place of shelter, and shelter for many ships. And the last word you can write as anchor. And what is anchor? As you can see in the image, it is made of iron which is put into the deep water so that the ship may not move from one place to another. That is the use of anchor. In this way, my dear students, you can write some word which are related to marine life. Next activity, the functions of a lighthouse are. Now see in the image, that is the lighthouse. So here you have to discuss, or you have to write about the various functions of lighthouse. One is already given in the book, and that is to show the direction. It means the lighthouse, its first function is to show the direction. Means the ships which are coming in the sea, the lighthouse shows them correct direction. Now here two functions of lighthouse you have to write yourself. As you can see in my slide, see there is a lighthouse in the sea. And what is the second function of lighthouse? As you can write, to mark safe entries to harbors. Means the ships which comes to the harbor place or at the port for the shelter, so it marks the safe entries. And what is the second function? To warn ships about treacherous rocks. Some rocks are there in the sea which are very treacherous, and the lighthouse, its function is to warn the ships. In this way, my dear students, you can write the functions of lighthouse. Next activity is that discuss in pairs the various famous rocks in the world and mention the places where they are. Now, my dear students, in the world there are so many famous rocks. You have to mention some of them and with its place. So here one column is given about the famous rock, and in the second column you have to mention the place. As one example is done for you in the book already. Famous rock, Balancing Rock. And where is the place? Mahabalipuram. After that, your duty begins, as I have done. See, the next famous rock is Sigiriya, and where is it? The place is Sri Lanka. After that, Ayers Rock, it is also famous one. And where is the place? Central Australia. And the last famous rock is Mount Thais Immortal Bridge. And what is the place? Where is it located? In China. In this way, my dear students, you can complete this activity like this. Next activity is that narrate in the class a story about someone who destroyed or spoiled someone else's good work. It means, my dear students, you have to narrate a story about somebody who destroyed or spoiled someone else's good work. So how you can narrate here? Suppose there is a honest student in the class. He has participated in the drawing competition. After the competition, one of the friend who gets jealous of him and he has torn his drawing paper. In this way, my dear students, you can narrate your own story. Next activity is discuss in pairs and groups the following expressions. Take the help of your teacher. Means here are some idioms or proverbs as you know already, but for better understanding you can take the help of your teacher. A, as you sow, so shall you reap. Next one is crime gets its own punishment. C, what goes around comes around. D, tit for tat. E, evil digs a pit for others but falls into the same. You know very well its meaning. Now let me tell you, my dear students, about all the proverbs. All are same in the meaning. And how? See, all the above idioms or proverbs just I have read for you, all convey the same meaning. Means though they are different, but the meaning is same. And what is the meaning? They all mean that when person acts with a certain intention or purpose, the results will be the same as the action. So my dear students, if your action is good, intention is good, you will get good in return, the same. If your purpose, your intention is bad, your action is bad, you will get the bad fruit. Okay? If the intentions are good, the person will benefit from rewards. As already I told you, if your actions are good with good purpose, good intention, then you are eligible for the good rewards. And on the contrary, if your actions and the purposes are evil or bad, so you will get punishment also or bad fruits. If the intentions are evil, he will be punished, as I said to you. So this is how all the proverbs convey the same meaning. So my dear students, please complete all the activities from icebreaker section from this poem. I will come back to you with my next video, which will be about the poet and the information about the poem Inchcape Rock. Thank you.